Hi, this is Chris.
And this is Melissa.
We're Hangry On Wheels.
This week we went green.
This weekend we went to Zaps, Custard, and Mustard, and we rode our bicycles there this time.
Can't believe you already reviewed them.
Well, what are you giving them?
I don't know.
You love the chili sauce.
I can barely ride a bike without thinking, let alone try and think about a review. I can't even you know what? I don't like the bicycle thing. I can't even haze you.
Why is that?
Because I can't make jokes because I'm going to fall over. And then joke's on me.
Well, maybe we should get you a different style of bike.
I don't
Maybe
think
a Beachcomber isn't for you.
I don't think that's going to make... I think a bug just hit me. A bug just hit my ear.
A bug?
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe we should have wore our full face helmets.
No. I think you take this long to get everything ready to get me hangry.
No, it just really takes that long.
Yeah, I just think you're slow as fuck, maybe.
It actually takes that long, fortunately. Get my little backpack on.
I'm like a fucking spectacle over here. Okay, I'm coming. Go. Go.
Okay?
Yeah.
It's actually better if it is off to the side. So I won't hit my helmet that way.
Nope. Yep, nope.
Yep, nope, what? There you go.
This will work. You're supposed to be in front of me.
Okay. I should have to pull this light off because it's hitting my thing.
Okay, Amir, go.
You want to get a run for the hill?
Go, go.
What? Go ahead.
I'm just gonna coast. What are you doing?
Get a run for the hill.
Even on bicycles, the red lights of Painesville continue to keep us in.
In New York, they'd just run them.
I don't think they're beeping at us, but maybe.
He's beaking at those workers.
Oh, I think they were probably beeping at the people working in that yard.
Yeah. Yep.
I hear the mariachis playing.
We should probably just lean them up against that gate on the outside.
Huh?
Oh, there's a gate we can go in. Yeah. Cool.
What do you want to do?
Let's put them on the inside. Just stay to the right on the inside. Oh, there's a bike rack right there.
Oh. Well, look at that, would ya? I don't know how this works.
That's right.
Is it like that?
Yep. So we go to the other side. We'll put mine over here so people aren't walking around it.
Oh, yeah. That makes more sense, huh?
I got it. Here, I'll get it.
I think you think I can ride a motorcycle when I can't even ride a bicycle makes me laugh.
You did fine. It's just the seat's a little... I can move that reflector and put it down further. You want it down more?
I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
This weekend we went to Zaps, Custard, and Mustard, and we rode our bicycles there this time. And they had bike racks, which I thought was really awesome. These are our bicycles. I filmed them. These are the ones that we rode, not other people's bicycles.
Those are definitely our bicycles, yes.
Here's where it's located.
The majority of that is not going in.
At
I'm
what they
telling you
call
right now.
the 5-way split. The 5 split. That's what the Painesville calls it. What do you want to say about the place? It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a brand new building. Looks nice and clean, neat. People are very friendly. Huge selection of ice cream. Lots of fun flavors.
And Perry's ice cream.
They have ice cream and custard.
Oh, I didn't see that they had ice cream.
The
I
scoop
saw that
stuff
they had
is ice
custard.
cream. That's what
Oh,
we
okay.
ate.
We had ice cream.
The soft serve is the custard.
I wish I would have known that. I would have got custard instead.
Oh, Chris, we talked about this.
We did. Did you see soft serve in there, or did you just go by what I said?
No, I saw soft serve.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
So Zapp's Custard and Mustard has both ice cream, which is in the
Scoop.
bins, the scoop bins,
And soft
refrigerated
serve
bin. And
custard.
they also had soft served custard. We elected for the ice cream. This was my burger. I love burgers. Onion rings, go. What did you think about the onion rings?
I thought the onion rings were good. They were a little on the colder side, unfortunately, but I did have to wait for you to go in and do the filming, and the food sat for a little bit, so it's not their fault. I got the all beef chili dog, chili and cheese. The cheese was, you can tell, the shredded cheese kind. It was not cheese sauce, which I appreciated. And I added onions and stadium mustard to my dog. The hot dog was not easy to eat, but that's okay. I expected it. I got some extra napkins. It was your typical all-beef hot dog. The chili, though, was unique. It was kind of a sweeter chili. And I did overhear that one of the people that I think owns the place say that it's a special recipe that his chef has. I did like the chili. I guess overall, I would say, what are we doing, 7? What are we doing, 10?
I gave my review off the bike.
I don't know what I don't know what I'm out of. What am I out of?
Out of 10. Food is out of 10.
For all of
Service is out of 10. And parts and labor is out of 10.
Parts and labor.
The wow factor.
Oh my God. I would give the food a 7 out of 10. I thought the ice cream was very good. Did a blueberry cheesecake and a confetti cake or something. What was that called? Birthday cake, maybe?
Birthday bash was the ice cream.
Bash, gotcha. Birthday bash on the left.
And blueberry cheesecake.
On the right.
Have to say I preferred the blueberry cheesecake.
As did I. Both were good.
Both
Nice
were
and
good.
creamy. Very good taste. They have a lot of unique flavors. I saw one that was a cannoli flavor. And what else kind of stuck out to me? Definitely the cannoli. That was the one that I thought was the most unique. But there were quite a few different flavors that looked like probably, maybe 30 different flavors, 25.
Yeah, quite a few. And
Yeah.
that's not even counting the custard.
Yeah.
So.
They also have banana splits, sundaes, and this is...
Yeah, we somehow managed to mess that up. We didn't understand how it worked, how you do that thing with the arm thing. So I then tried to feed her mine as well.
The lady behind us, not amused.
Probably gonna have to blur her face.
Yeah, I
What do you
think we
think?
might have to.
Okay.
Yeah. The chili on the dog was superior, and the dog itself was your typical all-beef hot dog. The bun could get a little goopy, but it was only because they added so much chili, so I'm going 7 out of 10. Service, definitely 10 out of 10. They were super sweet and great. They actually brought our food right out to the table, so we got a little number, and then they brought it back from around back. And wow factor, I mean, it's brand new, so it looks nice. They did a nice job with the decor. It's nice. It was a beautiful day. It was perfect to sit in the sun. I thought it was a nice place.
Yeah, the patio was gorgeous. Composite tables were nice and sturdy.
Yes, I was very happy with the tables. I did not feel like they were going to break on us or anything crazy.
Yeah, and I remember we drive through there quite a lot. So I remember those guys working on the patio, and they did an excellent job. Excellent job on the rock wall outside, the garbage cans around. I loved the fence. I loved all the flowers planted.
Mhm.
It's good landscaping. Not sure who was in charge of that, but they did a great job. And the bike racks too were an excellent addition. You feel a lot safer if you can wheel your bike into sort of like a little gated area. It just makes you feel better about leaving your bike. You could,
Did your hamburger have any char on it, or was it?
it just tasted like a pre-made patty to me. It was
okay.
thin. It was a little bit better than McDonald's,
And the
And
bun
the-
was toasted, and it did come with lettuce and tomato.
which was a lot fresher than McDonald's would be. And it was just, it just seemed like something you'd have at a grill outside. Like if you're grilling with the family or whatever.
I could see this being a great spot for softball and baseball players after a game when they go out for ice cream for the win. I think I could see a bunch of teams hanging out here.
Yeah, that area down there, there wasn't a lot of restaurants you can walk to, like family restaurants there. So that's sort of a great addition to that area.
There's also plenty of parking if you need to drive.
It's a big intersection too, so there's going to be a lot of people come through there. And it was busy when we were there.
Yeah.
It's a great day for it. And this is a giant squiggly arm advertise guy.
Attract customers to your business. Make a splash at your next presentation. Keep grandma company. Protect your crops. Confuse your neighbors. African American? Hail a cab. Testify in church or just raise the roof. Whatever your wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man needs are. So come on down to Al Harrington's wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man emporium and warehouse. Route 2 in Weekapaug.
I'll roll my review on the bicycle.
Do you remember that kid in the Goonies that had all this stuff on his bike?
The little Asian kid, right?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
I don't remember what that kid's name was, but they're trying to get me killed and pull out in front of this guy.
You might die from the smell. I don't know.
Do you want me to go first or no?
Yeah, go ahead. No, you go first.
Wasn't it? Was that Zapp's custard and mustard?
Zaps.
Zaps. Okay, here's my review.
You're doing it on the bike?
Yeah, food.
No.
I'm going 5 or 10 this time. 5 out of 10 for food.
Really?
Yeah, I was not that impressed with the burger. Wasn't that impressed with the onion rings.
Real?
The onion rings were good, but
Who do you think
just
you
wasn't
are?
impressed. I don't know. Ice cream was good though.
Now I feel like I need to rethink mine.
No. Service, can't mess it up. I'm giving 10 out of 10.
I tipped them. Did you tip them?
Yeah, I gave them like $2 total between the two purchases. And then wow factor, love the patio,
Nice patio.
love the landscaping, flowers and everything.
Yeah.
But I'm docking.
The sturdy tables.
Yeah, sturdy tables. I like the composite picnic tables. I'm docking 2 points for opening at 3. I don't know what's up with that, but I didn't like waiting around all day before we went.
Sunday, yeah, that's true.
weird. So I give wow factor 8 out of 10.
But it is a
So-
family-owned business, and the family has to work there, so they probably want some time off too.
Yeah. So I guess I'm giving
Today-
23 out of 30.
I don't know. I need more time to think about my review.
All right.
You did not prepare me for the bike or ride home review.
Look like an old gold ring to me. Hit my head on the thing.
You want to go in front of me?
Yeah.
Your car behind.